To do this trend, you just need to have CapCut application. After this, just click on the template link given below in the description. I have provided the 2 templates link. You can use whichever you like, both are inspired by Wes Anderson. After that, click on Use Template in CapCut and you will be directed to CapCut. Now click on Use Template and just add your video clips. After adding your all clips, click on Preview. Now click on Text and change the date. If you want to change the other text, you can do that too. Now after this, check your video and export. Now after this, you will be automatically switched to TikTok. Now click on Next and you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.